Hi, this script is for contouring. Now I will show you how to use it. Okay, first put edit Python script to open the Python screen and open the Python file and press play button here. So basically you can select either poly surface or just a single surface for this script. So for the first example, I will choose single surface, which is this one. So select the object and press enter. And then you can select the contouring axis. So there are three predefined axes which are x-axis, y-axis, and g-axis. And the other one is custom axis that enables you to select the customized axis. So for this one, I will use x-axis. And for the distance between sections, I will use 5. And for the text size, I will use 10. And for the distance between members in construction drawings, I will use 20. After you press enter, you can see the numberings, which are pink. You can see the profile, which are this greenish color. And you can see the white bounding box that defines the curves that belong to the same plane. And if you see the layers, all the lines and numberings that just generated are just put into the different layers like separators, section lines, and numberings. So you can just turn it on and off the layers if you want. Okay. So for the next example, I will use a bit more complicated form, which has a lot of holes inside and kind of like complex geometry. Okay, once again, open the script, press play button, select the object, and for this one, I will test with y-axis. And for the distance, I will use 10. And then you can see the profiles, sections with the white boundary box, and number 2. And if you want to see the final result when you fabricate this form with this profile, you can just select all curves and put extrude curves command and put the same distance, then you just input, and then you can see the approximated final form for the shape that you just divided. Sorry. And once again, open the script, and this time I will test with G-axis. So select the object, press G-axis, and for this one I will use 5 for distance, and for the text I will use 15, which is bigger than before. And profiles, white boundary box, and numbers. And then let's test the final result. Just like this. Okay. And now I will explain the last options, which is custom assets. So once again, open the script, press play, select the object, and if you choose this custom axis option, you can you have to define the axis by yourself. So first, select the starting point. So let me see. So for this object, if you want to contour this object along with this diagonal line, you can just select the first line here and point for here, so that contour lines can start from here and end from here, ends to here. And for the distance, I will choose 5. Then you can see the contour lines, which were divided along with this diagonal line. So let me test another one. And so here, this is the object. Okay. And the other interesting features of this option is partial contouring. So if you select the object and press custom assets, if you wanna make contour lines partially, you can just choose the starting line wherever you want. For example, like from this point to this point, and then for the section distance, I will use 3. And once you press the enter to the left, you can see these partial lines. I mean partial contour lines, right? It's like this. Thank you.